Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're coming across an issue on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer that says that it doesn't look like you have any applicable devices linked to your Microsoft account when attempting to download an application on your Microsoft Store. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing you want to do is open up the search menu, type in settings, best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select the accounts option on the left side. And then on the right side, you want to go ahead and make sure you're actually signed in here. So your Microsoft account, go ahead and left click on that and make sure you are signed in correctly. So on the right side, select email and accounts. Go ahead and left click on that. And make sure you have your account signed in. So if you have to add a new account, you can, or go ahead and make sure if you have to sign out and sign back in, you can do that right here. So pretty straightforward. Something else we can try here as well would be to open up the search menu, type in WS Reset. Best result should come back with WS Reset. Go ahead and left click on that. This will reset the Microsoft Store and just give it a moment. And then once that's done, go ahead and close out of here and reset your computer. And there you go, guys. I should hopefully have been able to resolve your problem. And if you open up the store, there's a couple other things we could try, but generally speaking, I think this is probably the safest bet here would be to do what I just showed in this tutorial. You can also try and perform a system restore if you have that option or if you want to give that a go as well. But generally speaking, the solution should be pretty straightforward and should be confined to one of those options I showed in this tutorial. So as always, thank you for watching. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.